Hello, sir. I'm going to talk about my NEA, which is the interactive periodic table I made. Basically, what it does is it reads from a text file, which has all the information about each element on it, strips the line end off it, takes it down here, right where it assigns each item of data item. Hold on, I'll bring up the text file. So each kind of data segment into its own element. So element 0 is the name, and element 0 is the name, element 2 is the symbol, because our indexing starts at 0. So it's very cool. Element 7 is the color, so each of the different elements have their own color, depending on what period or group they're in. So for the range of information, it does all this for each line in the text file. New element was it takes coordinates as well. So basically, I can find a better way to do this, but I want to run the program. Basically, each button has its own coordinate, and it's appended in the this information here, so it takes it from each position in the list. New element was going to be a way of simplifying all of this, making the label for the periodic table when you clicked on it, when it displayed the data. Sadly, that didn't work due to the descriptions being too long, and it looked a lot neater to do it that way. And yeah, this is the way to create a button right here. Oh, yeah, this is important. So here's basically where I used all my object-oriented stuff. So yeah, I think that's about it. I was going to add images, however, I had an issue using Tkinter, and I couldn't. It was something weird about an inbuilt module when I had to re-download it, and I couldn't figure out how to do it, so I ended up not adding images. But onto the main course. This is the actual periodic table itself. You click on each button, it comes up with a description of the name. So Fe, iron, Li, lithium, Na, sodium, comes up with necessary information. So yeah, very cool. And yeah, each one is color coded, though it would actually be in a periodic table. And yeah, I think that's about it.